Why are you here at this big event in Northern Indiana?
Well, if you think about who Care Camps Foundation is, we raise money for kids with cancer so that they can go to camp. And because we're in the outdoor industry, we have a lot of partners in the outdoor industry, the RV industry. So that's why we're here to either see our partners or to make new partnerships.
A lot of charitable people in the RV industry, whether it is the manufacturers, the dealers, or the customers and the people that are actually out there camping. Isn't that what you find?
Absolutely. I mean, we find that we have support from corporate partners, from groups, from families, and also individuals.
Tell me about Compete for Kids, something that we're involved with at Hilltop Camper and RV and is going on really all across the country, right?
Absolutely. So, this is a campaign in partnership with the RV Dealers Association, and it's a friendly competition. It's a friendly competition between dealers. So, I think we've got about 50 dealerships signed up across the country, and it's during Childhood Cancer Awareness Month, and during the month of September, and actually it goes through October 10th. That's when we'll accept the last donations. Um, the dealerships who are participating can raise money however they want to. And so we're so grateful for our partnership with Hilltop and in just raising money so that kids with cancer can go to camp.
What kind of things do need to be considered when sending a kid with cancer to camp and going camping?
First of all, it's giving the parents confidence in the fact that they can drop their kids off and
So the parents
feel.
don't go.
Sometimes they do.
Okay.
I would say the majority of the time, the camps that are offered are kids going to camp. But we also support camps where kids can have their siblings come along. They can also have their families come along. But in a situation where it's just the kids, the parents have to feel very comfortable with their kids getting dropped off. And then the nice part about it is the parents have respite during the time when the kids are at camp. But in order for them to feel comfortable, the camps have to be medically staffed and supervised. There's a clinic on site, and also, there's the capability of it being a very sterile environment, and also for any kind of chemo to be administered. So there's just a lot that has to be considered. And all of the camps that we fund go through a 26-point accreditation through COCA, which is the Children's Oncology Camping Association. So they take it very seriously. It's got to be a safe environment for these kids. But the best part of all is these kids go there, they meet kids that are their tribe, and they make best friends for life. And it's really a magical experience for
Tell
them.
me more about that. Tell me more about what it means to these kids to be able to experience this
So,
and how different it is from their everyday life.
yeah, I mean, what's really cool is these kids go to camp and they get to be just kids. They don't have to talk about them being different or feel like they're different than anybody else. They have cancer. They often talk about the fact that they have cancer, but they don't have to talk about the fact that they have cancer. And what's really interesting to me when I went to my first camp is that these kids go to camp not just once, but year after year, because when they go to camp, they meet their kids, their friends, their best friends for life, and they look forward to going to camp every single year. And then when they turn 17, that's when they graduate out of the program. And on the Friday of camp, what often happens is that there's a graduation ceremony, and these kids, they are showcased, and they are made to feel so special, and they have this ceremony for them to graduate out of the program with the friends that they have, like I said, for life.
Well, we're glad to partner up with you.
Oh, we're thrilled. We're absolutely thrilled to partner with you guys.